This is longest human bridge in the town of Balamban. Estimated half kilometer, estimated from the start, estimated estimated 200 meters human bridge in the town of Balamban, located in Sitio Pulo. Located in Sitio Pulo, Barangay Baliwagan.
Ano Kalibangan ni Emerson?
Oh.
Kalibangan.
And is in this area, whereas you can see the fishermen, they parking there. It's look like a parking lot of their boat, a fishing boat. You see, in my front, a model. You know, this is a model liber. See, and in this area also, you can see the municipal, Balamban municipal, and covered court, and also up there up the mountain, what you can call this, that you can see that a village in Kansumuroy. There's a new road upcoming. Kurog kayang nag-video, wapas madong nag-video. Model, what can you say, model? This is model libero. Model libero ka ng mga barongoy, dughanan. Time check, it's around 11 a.m. 11, almost 12. We're walking in longest human bridge in the town of Balamban. Okay, you can visit any time. When you go to our town in Balamban, you can visit anytime and witness or experience to walk the longest bridge in Balamban, the longest human bridge. We are almost in the half in this bridge, and time we will see the ending. You see, this is a nature, what they call this in English, bakawan in English, mangroves, and now it's raining, not quite raining, it's moderate. Okay, and you know and see that they are planting and for you know, nautan akong English, guys. Okay, okay, pasi dia nagawa na diri, guys. Okay, it's raining, man. Hallelujah. Okay, we almost there at the end of this human bridge. May cottage there. Anytime you can visit here in this. You cannot see because it's low tide now. It's low tide, but when it comes to high tide, this area is a water sea level well up high in this area. and you can swim. You see this? Our model are tired. We're almost there. Okay, watch out.
Layuan yung pakala eh.
Watch out. We're going to our uncle birthday. Will be held here in Isla Nua. They called it Isla Nua. Okay, we are there at the end of this bridge. We are here the location of the cottages here in Isla Nua. Okay, you see, this is our model and the cottages in Isla Nua, and now we are going to back to the bridge where we belong. Where we came from. This is the best place to hang out. Stress reliever. This place, if you have stress in your job, in your companion, in your family, okay, this is the best place to relieve. Kaya kina gamay ra ning tubig re. Okay, if you want some place to be relaxing, silent, this is the place. This is the place I want to recommend. Okay.
Ito sakay ka dato.
Floating boat. Floating cottage. You see, this is the sea. Unfortunately, we are here a low tide, but it comes to high tide, the water, it might be your hips or your chest, and sometimes it's go 6 feet above here in this place. And you see that a company, a shipbuilding company, Tunisia. The best place to hang out. You've got stress, you can go there, walking, and whatever you want. Our model.
Payag, gindot kayo. Pero palutaw nung palutaw.
Some students are here also. Okay, we're going back here. Bayad siyempre. So clean. The water is so clear.
Nice kay ni nga place mga kagitisel nga inyong pwede mapag-relaxan kauban ang inyong pamilya og ang inyong mga amiga kay naa sila daghang cottages and naapod sila floating cottage na pwede niyo pagrentahan. So pwede mo mga on sa kanang loud kay mulutaw-lutaw ra jud na ilang cottage pero magbayad lagi mo. So at least enjoy ang inyong pag-relax diri dool sa sa dagat. So try ninyo diri sa La Isla Nua, Balamban. At may entrance fee mga kakitisel bago kayo makapasok dito sa La Isla Nua. Meron kayong babayaran na entrance fee. Mura lang naman, 10 pesos each. Yun lang.
Okay. This is this road. Mo ni agianan no. Agianan moagi ka sa ilawom. Moagi ka sa ilawom sa mangroves. Under the mangroves. See that? Rich in mangroves. They preserve the mangroves. You can see how many different species here. When you're going back here, the crabs, we call it agokoy, native crabs, we call it agokoy. I don't know what is the name of your place here, the name of your place. We call it agokoy. So many agokoy here. So many agokoy, but we didn't say agokoy because agokoy is going back to their home inside the hole. You can see that so much hole. Agokoy is out inside. And now we are walking. Walking. Okay. Nangasaag ang mga tao. At tuyok na tani asan tong agyanan ang bridge. Ara din ang bridge. Yo. Sila taga dire katong nagbuhat og mga cottage. Sa una dire mo manginhas sa mga tao.
Sa ano, wala pa nila.
Wala dire ra manginhas ti anay. Na manginhas sa mga tao diha. Bulay, daan naman ni siya diri. Nani ni sa una, gagmay pa mi, nani naman ni daan. Gituyo man ni kay og tao buwa may makaanhi. Kay dako bi kain tubig. Dito yung manhi ka, pwede rin ka rin maligo, maglangoy-langoy ka. Nilot ka na rin magkuhan kag magtaob. Ug tao pa ni abot ng tubig ani diri. Ano ito magkakin-akin kas tubig diri. Nindot kita may now. Tuyo ka ng mga kinay, mga kahoy, mga gamot. Pwede anhira ka mag-dive-dive. Lawom gini diyan basta magtaob. Kuning kuan na kining mga mangroves. Ilang gi kuan. Mga seedlings ba. Ilan itanom og lain at lugar sabit nila itanom. Mga nagbantay. Man. Maabtan ra sa tubig. Kaya ay maron mamutaob. Ay sagad taob ani kanang gabing dako nang alas 10 gabi. Say maabot ani kini atong itumban, maabot ang tubig. Sin sunisim ning uban ni makauya uban sunisim ni gikan. Thank you guys. See you soon.